Now that it's April, let's see what happened in March of 2024 and in the first quarter of 2024 in the Philadelphia real estate market. Hey, my name is Doug Bair, the Philly Suburb Realtor. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know what it's like to live, work, eat, sleep, and play right here in the suburbs of Philly, PA, hit that subscribe button, make you smash that bell icon so you're notified every time I drop new videos each week. And we are getting calls every day from people just like you looking to relocate, buy, sell, invest anywhere in the Philadelphia area from the city up to Lehigh Valley. If you're looking to do that, don't know where to start, give us a call, text, email, however you want to get a hold of us, or go ahead, check the link in the description, schedule your Zoom consultation right on my calendar, and let's get into what has happened in March in the Philadelphia real estate market. So first we're going to break down what's called the home demand index, what happened in Philadelphia County, Philadelphia metro market in March of 2024. You can see right off the top here, the index, home demand index from Philly Metro rose 15.2% to 76%. Consistent with the slow buyer demand, the index was limited category and 3% lower than the one year earlier. So it was last 2 months, it was on this bottom one here, and now it is creeping up. So what that's saying is there are more buyers that are coming onto the market or more buyers did come onto the market from March than they did in the previous 2 months. And then we'll break down here the different types of home categories that the demand rose in. So you can see almost all categories except for condo below 390,000 rose. So you can see that single family below 320,000, this was last month here, and now this is it rose up in March. Single family 320,000 to 715,000, that rose as well. And probably the most significant change, you can see right here, single family above 715,000. So if it was listed above 715,000, the demand for homes like that rose significantly from January, February, and then into March. So if that's telling you, a lot of people are getting back onto the market. The higher end buyers are out. Definitely, if you see that right here, the demand rose considerably in March for the last 2 months compared to the last 2 months. And condo below 390,000, that stayed the same. Stayed pretty much the exact same. Condo above 390,000, that rose. And townhouses, twins, all prices, that rose as well. You can see here from January, February to March. Definitely, if you have a single family home thinking about selling, especially if it's above 715,000, if it's worth that price range, the demand is definitely increasing. Make sure you reach out if you're thinking about selling. I'd love to give you a market analysis for your home free of charge. I don't charge anything for that. If you just want to know what your house might be worth in this market and what it could sell for, how long it might be able to you might be able to sell it in, and all that good stuff. So if we go and just check what's happened in the last few days here in Philadelphia market, so you can see coming soon, 35 are in coming soon statuses. I'm sorry, this is the last 24 hours. New active, so newly listed houses. I am recording this on April 2nd. On April 2nd here today, 67 homes were listed for sale. 25 went back to active, so they were under contract. They went back to active. 71 had price decreases, so that's definitely something to watch out for as well. 5 had price increase, active, under contract, and pending. Basically the same thing, so combine that for 79. Closed, so today, last 24 hours, 52 homes closed. Temporarily off the market, 9, withdrawn 9, canceled 9, and expired 20. So let's see what happened. This is what happened in January and February here in 2024. And then the next slide, we'll go over what happened in March and where the market might be heading. So if you look at, we'll start with January, monthly supply of inventory, 4.1, which is a pretty balanced market there. In February, jumped up to 5.2. Anything from about 3 or 4 months to 6 months of inventory is considered a balanced market. So if you look over here, the days on market, it took January, it took 57 days on average for homes to go under contract. Then it did in February, it was 55 days that it took from homes when they were listed to get an accepted contract. If you look at in January, there were 739 homes that went pending. 946 went pending in February. So just between January and February, definitely saw a jump there. And then, we'll break down a little bit. We're only 2 days into the market here, but down here, if you look at the current month of April, right now there are 154 new listings and 20 under contract. Again, it is April 2nd, so only not even 2 full days on the market here in April. But if we compare that, if we go to average sold price here, that's a big, it's a big one to look at. So the average sold price in both January and February combined was $303,139. And if we look at what happened in March, the average sold price jumped up to $320,000. So from January to February, it was this $303,000 right here, and in March, it jumped up to $320,000. Monthly supply of inventory stayed about the same as February, so that didn't change a whole lot. And days on market, it took a day or two less to get under contract from when the home was listed than it did in the previous 2 months. So again, that's going back to the buyer demand index that shows that more buyers were out hunting for homes in the Philadelphia area in March, more than they were in January and February. And if you look down here at the inventory accumulation, so we're at about 4.4 so far as of April 2nd here. We're at 4.4 monthly supply of inventory. So it dropped a little bit from March. But again, we're only a day and a half really into the second, the month of April here. So there's not a whole lot of data really to look at. But that's kind of the general breakdown of what happened in Philadelphia area real estate from January, February, and then what happened just last month in March, and where it might be headed in April. So that's just a basic general breakdown of what happened in March versus January and February of 2024 here. Again, it's April 2nd, the recording of this video, so all this data is from April 2nd. If you are thinking about selling and you want to know what your house might be worth, I service anywhere from Philadelphia, the city of Philadelphia, up to Lehigh Valley, up to Allentown, Bethlehem area, and everything in between. Primary markets are Bucks and Montgomery County. So if you're anywhere in those locations and want to know what your house might be worth, definitely reach out to me. Call, text, email, schedule a Zoom consultation in the description below. Even if you're outside of these, I have realtor partners all over the country. So if you're considering selling and you just want to know what it's like, what your house might be worth from a local expert real estate agent, also reach out to me. Let me know where you're looking, and I will have my realtor partners reach out to you, give you an idea of what your house is worth and how long it might be able to take to sell, and all the details of whatever your situation is. So that is the general breakdown of the Philadelphia real estate market here and what happened in March of 2024. Again, my name is Doug Bair. I'm the Philadelphia Suburb Realtor. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest, relocate anywhere in the Philadelphia area from the city up to Lehigh Valley, make sure you reach out to me. Call, text, email, however you want to get a hold of me. See you on the next video.